Have you ever wondered if Samsung is finally listening to what users have been asking for all these years? Stay till the end because one of the biggest Galaxy upgrades could completely change Samsung's future, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Samsung is officially preparing the Galaxy Z TriFold 2, and new leaks suggest it's finally happening. After reports claimed the original TriFold was cancelled because Samsung was losing money on every unit, things have completely changed. Trusted leaks reveal Samsung is planning 4 foldables next year: the Galaxy Z Fold 9, Fold 9 Ultra, Flip 9, and the Galaxy Z TriFold 2. Even better, unlike the first TriFold, this model is expected to launch in many more countries. If this happens, Samsung will have its biggest flagship lineup ever with 4 Galaxy S27 models, followed by 4 foldables in the same year. But there's one upgrade most people still haven't noticed. The TriFold 2 is expected to be thinner while bringing several premium upgrades from the Fold lineup, including larger silicon carbon batteries, a smaller display crease, a titanium backplate, anti-reflective displays, and improved cameras. However, S Pen support still looks unlikely. But here's what makes this even more interesting. Samsung's latest foldable strategy is already paying off. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is reportedly selling beyond Samsung's own expectations. Early demand has been so strong that Samsung even increased production to keep up. In India alone, pre-orders reached record-breaking numbers in just a few days. That's something no one expected. The biggest reason? Samsung finally fixed one complaint users had for years: the narrow cover display. The wider design has been welcomed by buyers almost immediately. It proves that when Samsung listens to users, the results speak for themselves. And if Samsung applies the same strategy to the Galaxy S27 Ultra, we could be looking at one of the biggest Galaxy upgrades in years. But there's still one problem Samsung has to solve. Despite strong smartphone sales, Samsung's mobile division recently reported its first quarterly operating loss. The main reason wasn't weak demand, it was rising memory costs that significantly increased production expenses. The good news is that the Fold 8's record-breaking sales happened after that report, meaning Samsung could bounce back much stronger this quarter. Meanwhile, the first leaked look at the Pixel 11 Pro Fold suggests Google is sticking with a design that's very similar to last year's model. It appears slightly thinner, but not much has changed. While Google plays it safe, Samsung seems determined to push foldable innovation even further. So if these leaks are accurate, Samsung could be heading into one of its biggest years ever. But the real question is, will the Galaxy S27 Ultra finally deliver the upgrades fans have been waiting for? Or is Samsung still holding back? The answer might surprise you. Click to watch my last video, Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, and don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung updates.